Hi team, now that we are starting to build our Figma file, I thought it would be helpful to set up a proper structure first. And you may think why I am doing this now, but the first reason is I saw there is some confusion among the team members about how to add their pages and how to go with the development of this prototype. So that's one reason, and also there are some few other reasons, and you will understand them when you finish watching this video. First of all, if I show you the structure, there I created few pages, and the first one is cover, and then the style guide and the assets, desktop version and the mobile version. And let's jump into this cover page. This is just has our project title and logo, and nothing fancy, but it gives our file a clean start and make it look professional. And then the style guide. This is super important. Um, Let me quickly explain why the style guide is really important. So, uh, right. So let's say one person is designing the home page and decided to use the red for the page titles, but then someone else is designing the about page and uses blue for the same kind of heading. Now we have a mismatch, and by the time we realize it, we will have to go back and fix every page manually. So instead of making the design decisions randomly or at the last minute, we define everything up front, like what colors to use, uh, like here what colors to use, and also what heading styles and heading sizes, what fonts to use, and button styles, all those things, and all of that goes into this style guide. So that way, if anyone is unsure like what color should I use for the heading, they just go to the style guide and get the answer. No confusions, so no inconsistency. um, Now here's the cool part. We are not just picking colors randomly, we save them as components. So in Figma terms, it's styles. So for example, I have saved this red color as primary red. Primary red, and so when you are designing a page, let's go to the desktop version, and let's say the front page. Let's take this heading. So instead of adding the color directly, you just pick red from the color picker. So instead of adding the color like this here, you just can pick the red color in the component. So you select the saved component from the style guide. So what is the benefit later if you decide to change the primary color of the whole website? We don't have to edit every page. We just have to go to the we just update it once in the style guide, and it applies everywhere in the design. So it's simple and efficient. So that is why I said it's super important to develop a style guide first. So as my experience, that should be the first thing we should do when we develop a Figma design. So yeah, that's it. So then let's go to the next page. It is assets page. uh, so there's nothing right now, but we can update it. So this is where we keep all shared assets like logos, icons and reusable elements. So having these in one place make it easier for everyone to drag and drop them without duplicating or breaking consistency. So then the desktop version, here you can see I have created all the canvases for all the pages. So this is the answer for the confusion for the members. So you don't need to create pages here. You just have to come here, and as an example, if you are doing the home page banner, you just have to develop it here in the home page canvas. You can adjust the canvas as you want, like this. So if you have already developed them in your own Figma files, you can just copy and paste them here. So in the later, when we are developing these prototypes, we can do it easily. Let's take this navigation panel and let's create the prototype for this home button, and we just have to do this. And when we when run the prototype, you can just simply do this. So I think this is the proper way to develop the Figma file and the better way to present it. So as also not only desktop version, we got the mobile versions. We can create other pages here as well. So we can develop the mobile version of the website as of the design as well. So I think you got clear idea that what I am suggesting. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and especially leaders, please consider this before we jump into development of the pages. And also I'm also like to contribute and to develop the style guide if you guys need my help. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys understand what I am suggesting, and happy to hear your feedbacks. Thank you.